Finding the perfect Airbnb can make or break your travel experience. With thousands of options to choose from, making the right choice might feel overwhelming. But with these 5 simple tips, you'll find a space that's not only comfortable, but also exactly what you need for your trip. Tip 1. Read reviews thoroughly. Reviews are your best friend when booking an Airbnb. Don't just look at the star rating, take the time to read detailed reviews from past guests. Pay attention to comments about cleanliness, communication with the host, and accuracy of the listing. A 5-star review with no details might not tell the whole story, so dig a little deeper. Tip 2. Check the location. Always double-check the location before booking. Use the map feature to see how close the property is to your key destinations, whether it's landmarks, restaurants, or public transportation. Be mindful of the neighborhood's safety and convenience, especially if you're planning to explore late at night. Tip 3. Filter for amenities you need. Airbnb's filters are your secret weapon. Need a kitchen, free Wi-Fi, or air conditioning? Select those options to narrow your search. Don't settle for less when you can find a property that fits your needs perfectly. The right amenities can make your stay much more comfortable. Tip 4. Compare photos to the description. Pictures can be deceiving, so compare the photos with the property description. Look for consistency. If a listing claims to have a spacious living room, but the photos show a cramped space, that's a red flag. Look out for small details like updated appliances or clean bedding, which indicate the property is well maintained. Tip 5. Communicate with the host. Send a message to the host before booking. This is a great way to ask any specific questions you have or clarify details about check-in, parking, or house rules. A responsive host is often a sign of a well-run property, and their communication style can give you an idea of what to expect during your stay. Finding the perfect Airbnb doesn't have to be a challenge. By reading reviews, checking the location, filtering for amenities, scrutinizing photos, and communicating with the host, you can book with confidence. Apply these tips, and you'll set the stage for an unforgettable travel experience.